Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide, the new video tutorial that is about the new ransomware type infection that is called Kruu. Kruu is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers right now. This particular ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. Kruu ransomware is able to encrypt and damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. And the reason why this ransomware is called Kruu is because it encrypts these files and adds a special Kruu extension to the files. Now you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you can open any files without any problems, including pictures, music files, Microsoft Office documents like Word or Excel or PowerPoint documents. But the point is that due to certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, this Kruu ransomware may be injected into the device. This happens because of poor protection of the current computer by the existing security software. So you might restart your computer and or turn it on someday and suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with your files and that you cannot open your data anymore. This ransomware encrypts these files that you have on your computer, and then after the encryption is successful, it adds this special Kruu extension to the files. When you try to open any file, this is the message you see: Windows can't open this type of file with the Kruu extension. Some people might think that removing the extension manually could fix the issue, but this just doesn't work. This doesn't fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. Well, we recommend you to, first of all, carefully check your task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long random names, like this one, right-click on it and end its task. This is crucial because this could help you stop the further file encryption. And this could help you save some files from being encrypted. Now, we also recommend that you scan your system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the site combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, including this ransomware called Kruu. So don't cancel the update procedure. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So then at the end of the scan, you would see the summary of all the threats revealed. You'll be able to know their location on the system, but we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best way to remove this ransomware, to remove other threats like adware or these multiple annoying pop-ups, and to keep your data always protected in the future.